Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos, and I'd like to first thank my subscribers and anybody that new found my channel, and thank you for watching. And just want to show you what's going on with the 53 Chevy. I got the interior almost done, just gotta tidy it up a bit. But I got the interior cup done, two-tone here, desert yellow and semi-gloss black. Got the front bench done. So I two-toned that. Steering wheel's done. Two-toned with the chrome accent in the middle. Got this steering column done. With the two-tone and chrome accent. And also the dashboard two-tone and chrome accent. So, got that done. And also we got a rolling chassis here with the big 6-cylinder here. And got the bottom all suspension put on with the shocks. Alrighty, and thanks for watching. And I appreciate everybody that stuck with me through this build, and shouldn't be too much more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go out and enjoy the warm weather if it's not raining around you. Alrighty, I'm out. Bye.